Hello and welcome to Selah. I'm Sam and it's Good Friday, and this is a little prologue episode for today. In a moment, you'll have a chance to listen to the full Sounds of the Cross episode. You'll be taken through an audio journey of Good Friday. As promised, there'll be no talking, just an audio soundscape portraying the story. It starts the night before, just after the Passover meal, in the garden, where Jesus prayed and spent time with God, where he cried out to God and begged him for answers, where he was filled with the strength he needed to do what he knew he had to do. It's about 20 minutes long, so at some point today, give yourself time in the quiet to listen and contemplate. And for best results, wear headphones, but don't worry if not. You may not always fully know what's going on, but that's okay. Just listen and know this is what he went through, all because he loves you. So in the next episode, here it is, Sounds of the Cross.